Welcome to my classroom. This is my classroom. No, it's not the 21st century classroom, but I'm working on wanting it to be that way. I am presently in the process of getting a Promethean board and love to work on trying to get funding for a ITV, which would work perfectly with what we have in our classroom. When I was in Henrico County, I did have 21st century skills and knowledge, so I'm ready to use it in the school system that I work in now. As you see, my classroom is a working environment right now because we are in the process of cleaning up for the end of the school year. But we are trying our best to get towards what we want as a goal. So I know that we work presently with the iBook, and each classroom has one, so that way that we can functionally use them to our ability. And I know I'm having different technical difficulties right now, but yes, so we will use these different functions, and I love the techniques that I was watching on the different 21st century concepts. That was probably my son that just jumped across the screen, but and my classroom, like I said, is a wreck, so I apologize for all of that, but I welcome the knowledge that I'm trying to learn from each one of you. I know that, like I said, I've worked with different design features in my classes in the past. We have done some movie making skills where the kids did drawings, and then after they did the drawings, they adapted the drawings to create them to be, I guess, movie screen based type of work, where they took it and did slides and different slides and different slides, and they made like an iMovie. So I'm working towards doing something like that here. I did that when I was working in the middle school, but I'd like to try to work on different things for the elementary. I like the visual diary aspect, so that way that the kids can diary their journal. Instead of doing a sketchbook, they can do a video diary. So I like that aspect as well. So I'm trying to do some different things and trying to work with funding, and we do use Original Works to get funding for here for our children, but I would like to work with Astoria. I think I'm pronouncing that correctly. But mixing and using different medium to provide the kids an ability to use the 21st century is what I'm trying to accomplish. I like the feature as well. If I have a kid trying to work with pottery, that we can work with the sculpturing tool for the app for the iPad. I'm sorry, I'm fumbling with my mouth. But I have many more things to come and many more things to learn, and like I said, just hoping that as we progress through this course that I can learn different things that will help me out and my students. I have over 600 kids, like some of you all have stated, and I'd like to try to see if I can make sure that each one of them have something to work with in the 21st century skill level, that way that they can take toward when they get to the high school and the middle school. Thank you.